Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. Power tool inspections are essential but often lack detailed tracking with traditional methods. Dashpivot streamlines this process with digital inspection forms, ensuring compliance with safety standards. You can accurately track tool conditions and maintenance needs using our register view and analytics. Let's have a look at how this works on Dashpivot. In Dashpivot, you can create a power tool inspection template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. Let's run a search at the top here for power tool, and you'll see what we currently have available. You can preview any of these formats before adding them to your workspace and customize these to suit your best. Now that a template's been added to your account, you can start filling out these digital checklists. Our standard Power Tool inspection template includes fields such as the date and time of inspection, location operator, and the details of the tools. We then have sections of yes/no questions for you to conduct your inspections. Towards the end, there's a section for results in which we've set up as a multiple choice selection so that you can log tools that are in good condition, tools that require some repairs, and tools that require replacements, where each of the table have a column to add photos related to the tools. You can then sign off at the end. Once saved, these checklists are organized into a timeline view, sorted by the inspection date that you input in the form at the start, just like this. All inspections are then compiled into a register view where all information, including the checklist questions, are viewable in a table format. You can use filters at the top to find specific forms and then export these data as CSV or as PDF. Editing the template format in Dashpivot is straightforward with a user-friendly drag-and-drop system. You can customize the template to fit your organization's needs by choosing the fields that we have on the left panel and rearrange them within the template builder. Required fields and exclusion options help to ensure that unique information is captured without duplication when you clone a form. These can be found in the field settings in the top left corner for each of the field. Conditional logic can then be applied to questions fields like these yes/no items, as well as lists. As you can see for the inspection result field here, we have 3 logics added for each of the selection. To manage your asset better, the list module here can be used as a database. For example, we have the tools and equipment set up as a list here, and we have various information outlined associated to these tools, including things like date, a section for attachment, and a special property called date expiration. This type of property allows you to set notification to be notified via an email when a certain date is approaching or when they are overdue. This is especially handy for tool tracking so that you can set up scheduled inspection dates to ensure that they are not missed. All of the lists created here can also be linked and used as a drop-down or as a multiple choice list within your template format to make form filling faster and more efficient for you. Information captured within your inspections can then be analyzed further using analytics. Here, I've set up a chart for power tool inspections completed, and I have set this up so that it's broken down by the result selected. Photos captured during inspections can be found in your Folders tab. These are crucial as they provide a clear visual record of the issue when faults are identified, helping to accurately document the condition of the equipment. Photo tags can be created and applied for easy filtering when you're looking for specific images. GPS location of the photos can also be captured when these are taken through the Dashpivot mobile app and if you have enabled location sharing. While in the field, you can use your mobile or tablet to conduct inspections instead of taking your laptop around. The app organizes these checklists in a timeline view, allowing you to continue existing checklists or start a new one just like on the web access. Photos can be taken or uploaded directly in the app. You will have the option to include photo stamping as you can see on the bottom left corner here. And in this next step, you'll be able to mark up to highlight details and apply tags if these had been created earlier to be used as a filter as we saw on the web access. Once completed, you can share the inspection document via an email directly from the app as a PDF without needing a computer. The Dashpivot app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making the inspection process accessible for all personnel, whether they're on-site or in the office. Our platform can be used for many other use cases and also integrates with external tools like SharePoint, Excel, Power BI through our integration product Flowsite, allowing for seamless data transfer between Dashpivot and external tools. That's it from me for this video. You can try Dashpivot for Power Tool inspections today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.